This 2022 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Harmony Decor, Columbian Walnut with white cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, air conditioning, awning, Skylight, Slideout, TV antenna, water heater, TV, leveling jacks, self-contained, external shower, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.